Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, good day. My name is Aiman Hazib bin ABDUL HALIM. I'm from Bachelor Technology Occupational Safety and Health from Faculty of Engineering Technology Department. So, my supervisor is Dr. Alif Hisham bin A. Razak. So, today I'm going to present about my final year project. Then my title is Evaluation of Safety Awareness Among Worker Related to Physical Injury Accident in the Manufacturing Industry. Alright, so we go through to the abstract first. For the abstract, everyone know that the manufacturing industry is the most important sector and largest sector in Malaysian economy. So which is contribution to the gross domestic product. So it is important to study what is the reason for lack of safety awareness among the employee. So my purpose of this study is to identify the level of safety awareness, and I have created two hypotheses during this study, namely workplace hazard and workplace policy and procedure. So this research was conducted at my internship placement, which is a Continental Tire Alostar, Kedah. So Continental Alostar produce tires for vehicles such as motorcycle, cars, and even trucks. So the respondent are among the operator in the production department. So I'm using the statistical package for the social science SPSS to collect the data, to analyze the data. Okay, so we go for the background of the study. So this study was based on a survey in the form of a questionnaire, which is I use a Google form. Then the study will cover safety awareness among manufacturing worker. So as a result, control measure will be implemented to know the cause and to enhance the safety awareness among the worker. So my respondents came from various background and various reason. Okay. So after that, we go to the literature. Okay, for the literature, I have point out one by one. First point is providing a safe, healthy workplace is one of the most effective strategies for keeping construction or manufacturing cost low accident. Alright, my second point is physical injury, about physical injury. So what is a physical injury? Physical injury is defined as a damage to any bodily tissue that requires a healing process in order to restore to the sound and healthy condition. So damage to any bodily tissue that cannot be restored to a sound and healthy condition, or damage to any bodily tissue. And then for the third point is accident. So accidents are defined as unexpected occurrence that cause injury, fatalities, loss production or property, or asset damage. And for the last point is about manufacturing. So manufacturing is the large scale production of goods that use manual labor and machine to convert raw material. And then so we go through to methodology. So my methodology, I have used flowchart to explain about how the process I'm doing the analysis data. So for the first flowchart, for the first box in my flowchart is my title. So my study of safety awareness among the worker, and then after that you go to process defined activities related to physical injury, and after define the activities, so I review documentation and also gather information. So after that, quantitative method, which is a questionnaire. So I distribute the questionnaire, the Google form, to the operator at production department, and after collect data, we go to the process data analysis, which is using SPSS. So there are 3 analyses have been used, which is descriptive statistic, reliability analysis, and also correlation statistic. Alright, so after that, after all the data have been collected and analysis have been done, so we go to the result and discussion. So for the result and discussion, in this research, there are 2 variables, workplace policy and procedure, and also procedure and workplace health and safety awareness. So my result show in the table below. So for the descriptive statistic for section B, which is workplace hazard, you can look here, standard deviation is more than 0.6. So which mean my standard deviation is accepted in the workplace hazard by section B. Okay, and then for the workplace policy and procedure, section C, my standard deviation for 5 questions is almost same, above from 0.6. And for my section D, also standard deviation is higher than 0.6. So all of this table, all of this section are accepted. Okay, and then we go for the correlation statistic. Alright, so correlation analysis is used to determine whether the value of 2 variables are associated. So the 2 variables should be random sample. So I have choose a variable for hazard and policy and procedure. So after have been analyzed using SPSS, so the p-value for the relationship between hazard and safety awareness is higher than significant value, which means H in that table is rejected. So there is no significant correlation of hazard towards safety awareness. But however, the p-value for the relationship between policy and procedure towards safety awareness is lower than significant value p-value, which means H H2, H1 is accepted. So there is a significant correlation of policy and procedure towards safety awareness. So in my relationship, in my two variable, there is one only variable have been accepted, have been a positive value. So for my conclusion, so the first objective in this investigation, in this study, is to investigate the causes of lack of safety awareness among employee, among the worker, related to accident in the manufacturing industry. So objective 1, I have choose the literature review from the previous study, especially in this title. It is from Nicole 2012. So he said ST may prevent them from being involved in workplace accident, or at least minimize the accident rate. So worker must pay closer attention to the safety awareness. Alright, for the second objective, is to analyze the causes of lack of safety awareness among the worker. So I am using the statistical method, was analyzed by using SPSS software. So the mean value of safety awareness based on every section is more than low level, and for all sections can be summarized as a moderate. And for my last objective, the safety awareness in the industry still needed many improvement. Result from the SPSS show that the safety awareness need to be implemented in the industry for a better future and to avoid any accident happen. Okay, so in addition, the causes of accident in the manufacturing industry should be prevented by having the mindset of awareness. And last one, for recommendation, long-term approach that establish regular pattern of safety behavior, brief and value throughout the company is a safety culture. So as a result, safety culture should receive the same amount attention as other crucial components like quality or productivity. So that's all for my final project presentation. So thank you so much.